Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix network error code 0x800704f8 on Windows 11 under Windows 11 24H2 update. Here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command gpedit.msc and click on OK. This command will open local group policy editor in Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition only. Here from the left side, go to computer configuration and expand administrative templates, and here expand network, and here scroll down and look for the option landman workstation. Select it. Thereafter go to right side, and here you will find the option enable insecure guest logons. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make the check against option enabled. Enable in insecure guest logons. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom right corner. Thereafter close the windows and check whether your network error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here type seccpol seccpol.msc. This command will open security policy in your Windows 11 Home Edition only. Here from the left side, expand local policy and select security options. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find the option Microsoft Network Client Digitally Signed Communications Always. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make sure that it is in disabled mode. Disable this. Make the check against option disable and choose apply and OK to save the changes. The same process will be applied for next digitally signed communication if server agrees. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and make the check against options disabled and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows, restart your system. Your network error definitely be resolved. That's all.